Homogeneous mixture. Do you know what is homogeneous mixture? A mixture is said to be homogeneous if the different constituents or substances present in it exist in one single phase without any visible boundaries of separation in them. What is homogeneous mixture? The different constituents or substances present in it exist in one single phase without any visible boundaries, and a homogeneous mixture has a uniform composition throughout. Air is also a homogeneous mixture of a number of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, inert gases, etc. And another example for homogeneous mixture is sugar dissolved in water. It has the same sugar water composition throughout, and all the parts of it have the same sweetness. And a mixture of two miscible liquids is also a homogeneous mixture. Example, mixture of water and alcohol. The next, heterogeneous mixture. A mixture is said to be heterogeneous if it does not have uniform composition and also has visible boundaries of separation between the constituents. It is just the opposite of homogeneous mixture. Here have a visible boundaries and does not have a uniform composition. Homogeneous does not have a visible boundaries and it have a definite or uniform composition. Example for heterogeneous mixture is sand and common salt, oil and water form a heterogeneous mixture. A mixture of sand and common salt regarded as a heterogeneous mixture. No doubt these are present in same phase, that is solid phase, but have clear boundaries of separation. Another one, the mixture of sugar and sand. It is also a heterogeneous mixture. There are distinct boundaries of separation between sugar and sand particles. Clear? Heterogeneous mixture is a mixture if it does not have a uniform composition and also have a visible boundaries. Example, sand and common salt, or sugar and sand. If we mixed sugar and sand, we clearly identify the separation of that two substances. That means we can separate them very easily. This is the difference between heterogeneous mixtures and homogeneous mixture. So what we studied today?